Are your legs feeling weaker with each passing year? Do you often experience joint pain, tingling, or muscle stiffness? And have you ever wondered if your daily diet is missing something crucial to support strength after 60? Well, what if we told you that the answer to stronger legs, better circulation, and joint comfort might already be sitting in your kitchen? Collagen isn't just a beauty trend. It's your body's secret weapon to staying mobile, active, and independent as you age. In today's video on Healthcore Guide, we'll reveal 8 vegetables that can help your body naturally boost collagen levels, improving leg strength, flexibility, and even nerve support. You'll also discover easy ways to include these foods in your meals and real tips seniors are using to fight muscle loss naturally. So let's dive in. 1. Spinach, the green powerhouse. Spinach is one of the most powerful leafy greens for seniors. It's loaded with vitamin C, which your body absolutely needs to build collagen. Collagen is the protein that forms your muscles, ligaments, tendons, and skin. And as you age, your body produces less of it. Spinach also has magnesium, iron, and plant-based calcium that work together to strengthen your bones and support healthy muscle contraction. Whether you eat it raw in salads, sauté it lightly in olive oil, or add it to smoothies, this veggie can boost your body's ability to repair tissue and improve circulation to your legs. 2. Kale, nature's joint saver. Kale is not just a trendy superfood. It's essential for seniors. This leafy green is high in vitamin K, which helps improve bone density and prevent osteoporosis. It also contains vitamin A and C, both necessary for collagen production. Vitamin A helps your body repair damaged tissues and keeps your connective tissue strong. For seniors struggling with joint stiffness, kale offers anti-inflammatory support that helps reduce swelling and discomfort. You can enjoy kale steamed, baked into chips, or blended into soups. Make it a staple if you want to naturally support joint health and leg strength. 3. Broccoli, anti-inflammatory and collagen boosting. Broccoli isn't just for kids. It's a top-tier vegetable for adults over 60. It contains sulforaphane, a compound known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can speed up muscle and collagen breakdown, but broccoli helps protect your tissues at a cellular level. It also contains vitamin C and zinc, which together support collagen synthesis and healing. This means better joint mobility, less pain, and a stronger foundation for your muscles. Roast it, steam it, or add it to stir fries. Just make sure it's on your plate multiple times a week. 4. Red bell peppers, the collagen trigger. Red bell peppers are bursting with vitamin C, far more than oranges. Just 1 cup gives you more than 150% of your daily vitamin C needs. This makes red peppers an essential veggie for collagen production. These vibrant veggies also contain capsaicin, a natural compound that reduces pain and inflammation in the joints. For seniors dealing with arthritis or chronic leg discomfort, red bell peppers can be both a preventative and healing food. Add them raw to salads, roast them for soups, or stir-fry them with other collagen-rich veggies. 5. Tomatoes, the lycopene power. Tomatoes are not only rich in vitamin C, but also contain lycopene, an antioxidant that supports skin and tissue repair. Lycopene has been linked to reduced collagen degradation, which means it helps preserve your body's natural strength. For seniors, tomatoes also support heart health and circulation, ensuring your leg muscles get the nutrients and oxygen they need to function properly. Fresh tomatoes in salads, cooked tomato sauces, or even tomato juice can provide your body with daily collagen-building support. 6. Carrots, connective tissue protector. Carrots are high in vitamin A, which is important for maintaining and repairing connective tissues. Without enough vitamin A, your muscles and joints can become stiff and weak. Collagen binds to your joints, tendons, and ligaments, and carrots help strengthen this bond. Seniors who include carrots regularly in their diet often notice better mobility and fewer aches in their knees and hips. You can eat them raw, roast them, blend them into soups, or add them to smoothies. They're sweet, versatile, and powerful. 7. Beets, circulation booster for stronger legs. One of the biggest complaints seniors face is poor circulation in the legs, leading to numbness, tingling, or fatigue. Beets contain nitrates that naturally expand blood vessels, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your muscles. They also support liver detoxification, which is important for reducing inflammation and improving nutrient absorption, including those needed for collagen production. Whether roasted, juiced, or shredded into salads, beets are a wonderful addition to your collagen-supporting diet. 8. Brussels sprouts, joint and nerve strengthener. Brussels sprouts are rich in vitamin C and vitamin K, both essential for seniors. Vitamin C supports collagen synthesis, while vitamin K helps regulate calcium and prevent joint stiffness. They also contain folate and B vitamins, which are important for nerve health. If you experience tingling in the legs or hands, Brussels sprouts may help restore nerve function over time. Roast them until crispy or steam them with garlic and olive oil for a delicious, strength-building side dish. How to eat these veggies for best results. Now that you know the best 8 veggies for collagen and leg strength, let's talk strategy. Timing matters. Try to consume at least 2 of these vegetables in your main meal of the day. For seniors, lunch or early dinner is often the best time to load up on nutrients. Pair with healthy fats. Collagen-boosting vitamins like A, E, and K are fat-soluble. This means they absorb better with olive oil, avocado, or nuts. Combine wisely. A salad of spinach, beets, and bell peppers with a drizzle of olive oil is not just delicious. It's a powerful anti-aging plate. Cook smart. Light steaming is better than overboiling. Too much heat can destroy the water-soluble vitamins, especially vitamin C. Stay consistent. The results come with daily habits, not one-time meals. Seniors who build their diet around these veggies often notice improved flexibility, stronger legs, and reduced pain within weeks. Real results from seniors. Many seniors who adopted a collagen-friendly vegetable-rich diet reported fewer nighttime leg cramps, better balance, and reduced risk of falls, improved joint mobility during daily walks, less tingling or numbness in hands and feet, more energy to engage in activities they had given up. It's not magic, it's nutrition. By feeding your body the building blocks it needs, you're empowering it to repair, rebuild, and restore itself naturally. Weak legs, joint pain, and stiffness don't have to be your normal after 60. Collagen loss is real, but it's not irreversible. The vegetables we've talked about today are easily available, budget-friendly, and simple to prepare. They can make a massive difference in your health, energy, and independence. So, don't wait for symptoms to get worse. Start small, maybe by adding spinach to your breakfast omelet or carrots to your soup. Then build from there. Your body has the power to heal, and the food you eat is the key. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Healthcore Guide for more senior health tips every week. Drop a comment below. Which of these veggies will you start eating more often? And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss our updates. Together, we'll build a stronger, healthier future, one meal at a time.